Boeing is expected to offer early retirement and buyout packages to ease mounting financial strain from the pandemic. West Virginia is one of the latest states to postpone primaries, while Wisconsin still plans to go ahead. U.S. Navy sailors quarantine in Guam after nearly 100 crew members test positive. I'm Shelby Holliday, and here's the latest on the coronavirus pandemic. Boeing is expected to cut labor costs by offering early retirement and buyout packages to its staff, according to people familiar with the matter. Company executives have said they were seeking to avoid layoffs. The aerospace giant is rushing to save cash as the pandemic wreaks havoc on the industry, with passenger traffic down 90% at some major U.S. airports.
I am looking at hotspots.
Trump said he would make a decision soon on whether to halt domestic air travel between cities hard hit by the virus. To help the airline industry, the Treasury Department is expected to hire 3 Wall Street banks for advice on how to distribute tens of billions of dollars in aid for commercial airlines, cargo carriers, and firms including Boeing. West Virginia is one of the latest states to announce it would postpone its presidential primary election. More than a dozen other states, which were planning to hold votes in March and April, also decided to delay their primaries or push for voting by mail because of the pandemic. In contrast, Wisconsin, despite calls to postpone the primary, is planning to go ahead and vote Tuesday. But there are court challenges. Nearly 1,000 sailors have disembarked a U.S. aircraft carrier after almost 100 crew members tested positive for coronavirus. More than 1,200 have been tested. The USS Theodore Roosevelt has been docked at a Guam port since last week.
Our plan has always been to remove as much of the crew as we can while maintaining for the ship's safety.
Most of the 5,000 crew members will begin 14-day quarantines in hotel rooms on the island. Some crew members will remain on board to keep the ship running.